Hi, I'm George. In this video, I'm going to share with you the clear difference between spot trading and futures trading. Which one is risky? And how can you avoid the risk? Is it worth taking the risk? Now, when you go to your Binance app, you will click and look down, you will see a place that wrote trade at the center. When you tap on it, now this is where you have what? Your spot trade. Now in spot trade, this is where you buy coins and expect them to go up and later on sell them when they hit a little amount. So now this, take for instance, this is Ethereum, right? Let's say I do some analysis and I do some, let me check 15 minutes chart. So I'm in the 15 minutes chart here and Ethereum is looking a little bit on the uptrend. So I then say, okay, let's buy Ethereum at this amount. Okay, let's buy $2 worth of Ethereum, for instance. Now, okay, you can see at, let's say, 709, let's buy $2 worth of Ethereum. Now when I click on buy, okay, it must be all right. Okay, so you must use 10 USDT. All right, so let's say I click on 10 USDT right now. Okay, when I click on 10 USDT, let me fund my wallet a little for my features transfer, so that you see exactly how it is. Let me see from futures. So this is how I'm transferring. Okay, USDT. Let's add 5 more USDT, so I will make it 10. All right, so we'll go back here. We will see that we want to buy this. We'll say 10. The least you can buy is 10. Now at 7019, we'll click on buy 10.1. okay, we'll click on buy. Order has been created. Now, have you seen it here? It has shown. So what means we are trying to buy Ethereum when Ethereum is at 1709.18. okay, and as you can see, it has entered. It has almost entered. It's at 1709.19. So we're waiting for it to enter. Now when it enters, okay, it will be, we'll just get to see it here. So now when it enters, you will now see that, okay, it has already, it's supposed to have entered right now. Okay, well, our order is close. Okay, so now when we enter, you see that at this point it is, will I say, is not risky. It's, and we just place our trade, we'll buy, we'll wait. Now when it goes down to 1709.18, it clicks in. Now what we just do is we'll wait a moment, that the moment Ethereum goes up to 1709.17, something like that, we'll sell. So I want to show you something. Okay, when you click on sell here, it has not yet entered. That's why it's still here. It has entered. Let's see. It is 179.16. Yep, it has entered. So now we have 0. Have you seen it now? 0.005 Ethereum. Now what we want to do now is, when it comes to sell, I'll now say, all right, that when Ethereum goes to 17010, are you seeing this? I want to sell 100%. all right, 100% will give us $9.9. That's because of the fees. So that is how it is with sports trading. I seen it, and it is not risky. You just pay some little fees and you can still get some money back. So you see, that's the thing with spot trade. And for trading it, you must use 10 USDT, and that's just the thing. But this, and there's no risk in it. Your money is intact. You just pay some fees. And the thing now is this: let's say Ethereum goes up to 1900, okay, and I now say, okay, I want to sell 100%. You see, I'll make $1 from it. You see it? And then let's say when Ethereum hits $2,000, I'm going to make, and I want to sell 100%, we're going to make $1.60. Are you seeing it? But now let's go to futures. Now when we head over to futures right now, we go to Ethereum USDT. Now Ethereum USDT is 70 points, all right? And now I say, okay, at this point I want to buy Ethereum at this amount. I want to buy 0.0008, okay, at this amount, and I want to go long. Okay, let me see. Yes, and I want to go long. Am I isolated? Yes, I want to go long. So now watch this. You see how amazing this can be. Now I'm going long. It has not yet open order. As I said, this is a new account I created for purpose of lots of videos, so that someone will not say you are making so much amount from your trades because of you've been trading for quite a while. And now this is the thing here: when you guys open a new account, you can't do more than 20x. So if I do 90x, you can see it won't work. All right, so you can only do between let's say 1, 2, 3 to 20x. So we're waiting for our order to enter. Now the order is still yet to enter. Now when okay, our order is getting closer, and when it gets, then we can now do again. Let's do 0. Okay, let's just leave it that way. Let me just show you something powerful about it. Okay, or either way, because of time, let's just get this thing entered quickly. Let's use market order. Now let's buy 0.003, and let's go short 0.005. all right, let's go short. Now watch this. Instantly we are in. Now we're in Ethereum, we're at loss, right? I seen it, and very soon I will be at profit as well. Just be watching how it is. We're at low. It's just at normal. I seen it. It's just at normal, and which means that what, when Ethereum falls down and goes less than 1708.74, let's say it goes to 1708.70 or 72, we're going to be in profit. Are you seeing that? And it depends on the leverage, which means if this thing is doing minus 18%, when I'm doing 30x, the leverage, the percentage loss could be minus 2%, 5%. That's just how it is. Now, which means that if I do it this way now, all right, and click on 0.005, okay, and say I want to go long. Now watch this. I want to go long. Let's see. Okay, now I'm going long. Now let's just see how it is. Okay, so going long, it's at this. Going short, it's at this. Now you see that the risk is that what, you could lose your money in this, but now you can make tons of money. If you've watched the previous video, I shared how a lot of persons and myself we've been able to make an average of $97 every single day. And the beautiful thing about this is that even if you don't know how to do analysis, okay, you can actually join. You're not paying me a dime to get the signals. I'll be giving you free signals for, okay, all you just need to do is what, you just join the Telegram group and you get access to it in the pin message. As you can see right now, we're at plus 0.5% profit. Do you see how it is? Now this is the beautiful thing about futures. With spot trade now, even when Ethereum goes to 1,200, we're making $1. But with this, when Ethereum goes, now let me give you a perfect example. Let's go to our stop profit. Now this is 1,709, which means when Ethereum goes to 1,008, okay, let's go here. When Ethereum goes to 1,800, we're making $0.45. When Ethereum goes to $2,000, right? $2,000 that was giving us $1.6 in spot trade. Now in futures, $2,000 is giving us $1.46. Are you seeing this? $1.46 in futures. And now the advantage on futures is that This amount is because of our leverage. If I do, let's say, 20x, 40x, 35x, this little move will give us not less than $5, and that is because of the amount that is here. Imagine. Now let me show you something. With 0.4 USDT, okay, we are getting, now look at it, with 0.4 USDT we are getting, when it goes to $2,000, we are getting $1.4. Someone that used $10 in spot trade is getting $1.6, but someone that used $0.4 is getting one. Now imagine if I used $10 on this trade, I'm going to get what? An average of $5 from this little move. That's the beautiful thing about futures. So if you really want to learn a little bit about futures or anything, you can check the link in the description box where I shared how I make an average of $97 daily from it, and how students are also doing so. And you don't need to pay me a dime for getting signals. You can join our Telegram group and get access to signals, placing your signals to start making your money, growing your money on a daily. As you can see, we are already in profit over here. I also have some trades over here too, which I did in my previous video for some students, and as it is right now, we're still going to turn to plus 27 over time. So that is just how it is, the difference between spot trade and futures trade. So at the end of everything, you can choose and ask yourself, which do I want to go, which do I want to do, and if I want to grow my money, which will I choose to use? All right, so that is it about that. I hope you got value from this. If you did, click on the subscribe button, like it, because I'm going to share about something else in that video which is bound to blow your mind and no one ever is talking about. All right, it's something that can help you to actually tweak and change a whole lot about your money portfolio. All right, stick around while I get to share it again.